Give it all now, being loaded, set, ready for racing. Race number 2. Racing just is started with Fireball break quick. Let us start. Wachensus Ranero Diaz and now is Give It All. Senorito Jello in between the horses. Body as in comes next. Then followed by Gymnast, while Just Imagine is the early trailer by about 12 lengths. Up the leader, racing down the backstretch. We have Give It All by about 3 lengths. Wachensus Run in second. Rushing a body of Zerish Gymnast. The next online now is number 6, Senorito Jello. Body as on Fireball second last, while Just Imagine is still racing in lengths. We have Give It All enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Wachensus Run remains in second. Gymnast is down in third. Senorito Jello, Body as on Fireball, and a long way back to Just Imagine, who's racing in last 400 meters of the race. Give It All by about 2 lengths. Wachensus Run remains in second. Gymnast is down in third. Then comes Fireball, Body as on Senorito Jello as they swing for home. Give It All by about 3 lengths. Wachensus Run is still in second. Gymnast is racing in third. Then comes Body as in last 50 meters. It's an upset by Give It All over Wachensus Run. Then comes Body as in Gymnast, Fireball.
All right, we have an upset coming from number 7, Give It All. Nakapulot si Jackie Mark Alvarez on Give It All. Masisigundo, 5 Wachensus Run, 8 Body Hassan, 4 Gymnast. Panoorin natin, Panderang tapos.